Oh man, y'all gotta look at this. We got red right above us. We're turkey hunting. What's today? March 30th or March 20th? Or not March. April 29th?
Yeah.
It's April 29th. Here comes the rain, it sounds like right now. We got red and purple coming at us. We're probably 500-600 yards to the Ohio River. Right on it. And that crest's going right down it. And it doesn't look dark, but it's freaking gray. Look, there's a tree limb that fell. Oh, you can't see it. Hey, did you see the tree limb that fell right in front of us? Look. No, it wasn't either. Turn it back on, I'm gonna get it on video. I'm posting this crap on. Alright. At the 3.5-inch Magnum. Got my father. They got the soda. Just chilling out on the window. Drinking some coffee and eating a spin wheel. Cinnamon bun thing. This is where that turkey got away from us last time. Well, you know, this place is better, and this is probably in our spot. There's a pond down there. Here comes the rain. It'll be raining any time now, ain't it?
It is touching.
I hope my phone heard that. My phone. Yeah, you can barely even see on my phone. Dude, tell us something's coming out. There ain't no turkeys beside us. Cause they ain't. They ain't gonna be right here. I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to my peeps. What's up, peeps? I feel raindrops, but they ain't that big. And it's getting cold. Just when we rode up the road, a deer jumped out and went in right there on the left. Not down there, but like right here. When we came up the road. Yeah, it's supposed to be up to 85 a day. It's gonna be sweating balls.
Storm, 30% chance at 8 o'clock it's over.
I got the feeling that it's not gonna. Oh yeah, here comes the rain. I can feel more rain. Raindrops. Drop. Smoking on coconut hot. Cookie?